about women and women power, syempre, pag pinag-usapan mga babae, hindi nawawala yung usapan tungkol sa pagpapaganda. At ngayong hapon, kasama po natin representatives from O Skincare, my favorite skincare clinic. Olivia Quido, hello and welcome to Kababayan.
Hi, Janelle, how are you?
Second time na,
yes,
diba?
yes.
And Donna de los Reyes, first time on the show. Magandang hapon din sa'yo, Donna.
Good afternoon, Janelle.
Okay, ano bang mga bago ngayon sa O Skincare? First of all, O Skincare is located in Cerritos.
Yes,
and,
in Artesia. 8 years na akong esthetician, pero yung place namin dito sa Cerritos is only 3 years.
Ayan, 3 years. And so 3 years na yun, alam ko that you always have constant mga improvements, mga bagong machines, mga bagong services. Ano bang bago ngayon sa O, Donna?
Meron kaming bagong service ngayon which is laser AccuTip. At tinatarget niya yung mga brown spots. At tinatarget niya rin yung mga spider veins sa mukha.
Okay.
And meron din kaming glutathione IV shot na antioxidant siya na binibigay siya through IV.
So, pampa-even out ng mga ano. Pag-usapan muna natin tong laser AccuTip. Olivia, can you tell us kung ano to, yung before and after? Ano nangyari?
Yeah, so itong laser AccuTip, this is the newest technology pagdating sa mga brown spots. So we have what we call solar lentigo. Kung makikita niyo yung brown spots na dot doon.
Parang mole, pero
parang mole, yeah. Medyo matagal yan matanggal pag pinipil, tinitretinoin pil, or if client na naka-obagi, medyo matanggal yan. So merong bago ngayon is laser AccuTip. I-zap lang natin yan ng laser for about siguro mga 2 minutes. Tapos mas mangingitim siya kasi yung sa second and third layer na dumi na brown spots aakyat sa first layer, then mahuhulog siya after a week.
So this one is 8 weeks after the first treatment. So isang treatment lang yan, natanggal na?
Yeah, pagka ganyan kaliit, yes. Pero pag malalaki ang mga solar lentigos, which is yung mga sun damage, medyo kailangan natin at least 5 treatments once a month to come in.
So yung mga freckles na yan kasi, ano yan, solar damage yan, yung damage na yun.
Yes.
Saka pangit tignan, parang madumi.
Yes,
diba?
yes.
Okay, we have another slide here. Ito yon, yung maraming mga...
Yes, etong tawag dito is tinatawag natin age spots, hyperpigmentation, or what we call na freckles. Yan na nakukuha dahil sa overexposure sa sun. Hindi nagsa-sunblock at the age of like younger age of 18. So ang nangyayari, nadadamage. Tapos after a treatment, yan ang mangyayari. So magle-lessen yung mga brown spots. Tapos may makikita ka pa rin natira din. On the second treatment, i-zap natin yung natira.
Okay. Pag sinasabi mong i-zap, naku, parang masakit yun Masakit ba?
Hindi naman. Pwede natin lagyan namin cream kung gusto. Kung yung mga ibang client, usually we don't put namin cream kasi sabi ng client, kaya naman. Tolerable.
So tolerable.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
This one also, same thing?
Same thing. So if you have sun damage on the nose, then we can do that also. Kasi pag natanggal yung sun damage, lilinis yung mukha magkakaroon ng glow. Yung dark brown spots, nakakatanda tignan.
Ayan, oo nga. Ngayon, magsa-summer na kasi marami na ngayon ang gusto magpunta ng beach, or pag mainit, gusto medyo mag-bear ng konti. So, pang-pa-sexy naman ang pag-usapan natin. What is this?
Yes, this is what we call the vela-shaped body contouring. Ang ginagawa nito is tinatanggal lahat ng cellulite sa katawan kung saan part mo gusto, like sa chan, sa arms, kung saan area mo na gusto maraming cellulite at saka gusto mo mag-lose ng inches. This is what we call, makikita mo dyan sa slide pictures, lahat ng cellulite, that's we call the dimpling of the skin. So, ang mangyayari,
cottage cheese.
Yes, so ang mangyayari yun, mafa-flatten yan. I would say, I would recommend about 6 treatments.
6 treatments.
Once a week treatment. Yes.
So 6 weeks, for 6 weeks, every week pupunta kayo doon. And here's another one.
Yes, this is also a sample of a client na maglulose ka rin ng inches kung gusto mo sa mga thighs o sa glute area.
Pero it evens out yung skin mo,
That's
no?
right.
Parang nagiging mas makinis. Now, Donna, very quickly, yung glutathione. Everyone's thinking na pang vanity lang yun. Gusto mo magpaputi, kaya may glutathione, nagpapa-inject ka. But really, it's not just for that, right?
Kasi actually, ang side effect lang niya is puputi ka lang. Pero really, it's for health-wise din talaga. Kasi antioxidant siya. So, bale, yung liver mo, dinetoxify niya yung mga toxins, kaya na-flush out siya talaga sa katawan mo. And it also helps in Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, and actually, na-proven din na anti-CA siya, anti-cancer.
Ayan. So, pag palagi kayong stress or puyat, you need that kasi it boosts your immune system. Go ahead, Olivia, invite them to visit you, your spa, and also your website.
Okay, so I'd like to invite all the televiewers to come and visit visit us, we offer free consultation. We take an x-ray of your skin, titingnan natin yung loob ng skin kung gaano karaming blackheads bibilangin ng computer. And then ang address namin is 17808 South Pioneer Boulevard, Suite 112, Artesia, California 90701.
Ayan.
Yes.
And the phone number was on the screen earlier. They give free consultation, and that's the number to call if you want to make an appointment. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
More
Janela.
power to you.
Thank you.
Ganda naman ng mga guests ko.
Thank you.
We will be back for more. Don't go away.
Thank you.
Ang Kababayan LA ay hatid sa inyo ng McDonald's at ng bagong McCafe Espresso Drinks.